wanted to hear that. Would you rather sneeze every time someone says your name or hiccup during every serious moment? just like, yo, Ray. And if God forbid you have you're one of those people who has like the 3 sneeze attacks every time you have to sneeze.
Yeah. I would have to go with, honestly,
I'd have to say sneeze.
I would have to go. You would go with sneeze?
I would rather sneeze every time somebody said my name.
Mullet alert.
Ooh, that's a nasty one.